Green Select Glucometer from Costless Ventures. Sa fidie kitoya etimimpo e show botomi eboa ma uhunu sugar level abribia. Wana wo diabetes anayare ahodo a emma wo sugar level esote wo brano no. Sa fidie be bo nka ye baby bia wo bia no wada wo so akohu doctor ntem na wo dry betimi ma blood sugar no aye pepepe. With Green Select blood glucose monitoring system, you get your test results in 5 seconds. And you 5 seconds per now results are ready. And it's suitable for persons of all age. Na ne boa so de Call Costless Ventures now on 0205 915 315. Green Select Glucometer, the best. This advert has been vetted and approved by the FDA. Jimmy Dale at Jigga Junction, Sotum, your one-stop retail and wholesale center. Give us a call now on 0208 920 996.
Tembi I fat to hon say ye de ekoso entertainment industry mo na e be koso e de abrow into just time to cool, just relax, sit back and enjoy whatever is going on in the entertainment industry anymore. We are some flex speaks na me din MC Berima. Na always seated. So obetonable up the impape mu. Obetonable acheche mama o minu mienu nyina yate ye ho ase ye. Ene edition no ye be fa no Shatawale. The new release both way track. So good so far for now on YouTube. It's running and quite impressive. Now, one of the ladies, a favorite, or some Flex Nation, would tell you we are feel say now see by the lyrical content, you know, it's okay. Because of your training. Why I don't know. There's this lady, your friend Lydia.
Or some Flex Nation.
Yes, or your group, only a group, but also or some Flex Nation team.
Okay.
So I'm here to just
Lydia.
find a way. Yeah, friend Lydia. I'm here to find
a way.
Oh, member. Oh yeah.
Because I know because some Flex Nation, some Flex Nation. Because of WhatsApp group we are saying we need a group team.
Oh, Debbie.
Is it a man me tell me some Flex Nation crowd anymore?
I was here. Yeah, protocols.
Ajuma be yeni.
Oh, ebe.
You there, okay, Mate.
One or two imagine.
How about this? I Flex Nation bomb man is I was in the machine. Ah, unim. Lydia, unim. Unichibu. Aha.
You didn't have protocol with.
Shout out to Lydia. Shout out to Lydia. Shout out to other person, but the man. Shout out to Uncle. Yeah.
Shout out to Lydia.
Yeah, no one now person.
Shout out to Ameria. Oko kaswa. Ono tobe mkuni.
And no, Rafaeli.
Always on feeding me area.
Very. Now when I also did the machine, Sammy Flex Nation. Hey, boy. We might know what I go with. Me masru. It's good me we have it now. Oh, but. Lydia, shout out. Lydia, shout out. Go. No, you go. Achieve my go. And no more. It happens. You know, I be there. You have me achieve that. But yanko butwi.
The fact say the board now. Say ya obo me chine say ya we because it's me. Me do one.
Go back to talk about you too.
Okay.
Now brasa before my mention Lydia or Kaswa or Tom Banku. Let me come at chatting go Banku there. One MP. Na be was Sammy Flex Nation na be mention Sammy Flex Nation. We show was say unche den ni Sammy Flex entro be ni. Nyeshe. Na yanko nyeshe. I don't know if anyone of feel say
anyone no deep content now. On my message we could chase here, and apart from that, and so boss also sending my now. What you say content no, it entails a lot. Again, Kasipa and it won't be. After so near fast that I say I'm not Richard the finest boy Flex, Carry the guitar Rasta, Lapiji in Team Chemo, and our face, the Beef Nation president, Anna Reagan, Tina Baby Sexy Don, and our face, Gideon Lamb Tessin, Roland Amato Munina can win a table did within the Bremen. All right, so young go straight to the lyrics now. We're not about Saturday no yen wo in crime but Big Ben Josie ono etimi atonebo eyiya my brofumu na the previous edition besem mo se me makenkan a week
Until better trouble.
It's yes, we better one now.
Okay.
Yeah,
etaisi so ya once.
Yeah, there seremo. Senate bia. Okay, ti ye to aswa. Ya be yi ne kakra ne ato ye bo ne wa chechi mama. Nti no. First, or say the land of Gans belongs to the Gans. Ni Ama Shatta Wale. Let's all be united to develop our Gan and help our Gan chiefs and our paramount chiefs to help our Gan.
Okay, you breaking on like paragraph after paragraph, so I'm for Betty Matias.
Okay.
And in fact, say ontie and both we are Shatta Wale now. Your best sure say, oh yeah, in Usha interview we are. Now I call Shatta Wale the YouTube channel. Now I call video no. Now what he say on thing crying. And then I babe a Juma na babe a man. I may share the director so the lyrics need be better online now. I share. Now Barry,
boss.
Now I'm maintain your nasisa. I'm saying ra, and I'm not Regan more a church mukakra, and I'm nice. We could do come radio soon. Will be share that Sunday breakdown in our mommy. Now I want to say something. Over the past few months, since this year, omo ye aduma. Almost banner drumming and noise making. I've seen something. I might be wrong, I might be right. In fact, this topic we are treating is a little sensitive, but we would still have to deal with it.
Okay.
The mehuni say, as a mehuni say, afena ye kromuha ayen crying for kromu ampani for. As a omanya sama awakening, we say I say ye kromuni. Nanso, and then maybe per se fire say, and no mama say, see idea, yan pinidium. Yan pinidium. And my mama instances be a me abedru ha. Okay, a brand TV or coca say a brono bi or nungwa or sahefa abaifo ewo ho and then my traffic one.
Any accident crab is
so onum de to no. Near point 1. A later see a cast on gofa and near including kusia koko. A song of Fakusia Ekoko. Okofa wen. Aje o ma me ko to bi ma ho. And near point 1. Point 2. Dina asamwa, ya ma me dina asamwa. Ono so na me ko yinika. Akoka say nana agrada munya no. Na in fact, e jawe munya, omunya ho mo kro mbe jaya sezen no. Eno so yenim de to no.
Madam 777.
Yeah, friend no no so ko no so ka nensem. Ena he started ban on drumming. Ban on drumming this time. Me they may experience it because my sorry I'm say uncle keyboard being a boys never found. In fact, I ended up paying money to them. Me, I paid because I knew the agenda. Now I didn't want my check to play with it because who play with it now? You do scapegoater.
Very busy.
Tell me who say boys na baho from the Ghana Traditional Authority. Your mom ID card na from media chum na so. Ready, e no money. Say I'm can so there extreme. Mama fast moving company because but as a company for near fresh soft penny crumpa embarrassment. Imagine say unim now soft penny na yeah Jojo no Titi no baby. In fact, also any other I called them somewhere, I sorted them out from my wallet. And I'm so proud of that. Say Mama Shuyensi. Yeah. And now ban on drumming start here. Kiki. And check. And there's someone who say, hey, I feel some pennyphobia around the Ghana Traditional Authorities. Omunam Chrome say, a month for areas beefy. Into a banner say, kiosk components baby pa. Bri, near boo boo, or table days, but bri, and say, hey, there is an awakening. If you think, say, aha, a month for a loose waha, they want to tell you that we are not loose like that.
Yeah, sure.
And to send that message home well, that is what Shatta Wale has done. Perfect. In fact, I'm not the one to direct some authorities or now some traditional leaders on what they should do. But left to me alone, this song should be like the now traditional anthem. Believe in the Ghana traditional authorities, or something fast anyway. Yeah. Because the song really preaches about the land that we are all feeding on today. Yeah. If you be niaba, any abetan, tintima metna now disrespect a land no. You can't go to London and do what you want to do. Yeah. No, a be pow. Udu also yet dear almost yenye. It yes say okwa, but the yellow a sign. A friend is saying a quantum be no. Your time a party car or yeah, or sending also pie car no. Car the grab pie car or tie no, a that line is what a your friends or tell them name who's oh, you have a no line at the ha. Or line in the ha, yeah, they take it up a 2 castle, who bet ya. It means go Ghana there. You do baby it me park car, kwan ho kra na park car. It makes me park it. Obesh. So this song, that is the agenda it is pushing. Yanche, in less than 5 or 10 minutes we will finish.
Okay.
It is any very kind, you know.
Okay.
First one, I said the land of guns belongs to the guns. Let's all be united to develop our gun and help our gun chiefs and our paramount chiefs to help our gun. And no. In fact, you don't have to be a gun to help them. You don't have to be part of the traditional powers to help them. As much as you are living on this land, you have to help the development of this land. Period. Barry,
okay, but then yes, Richie me patch up. But what I say is the exception.
And where the intro of the song.
Yes.
Maybe now can also show video now. But say maybe everyone say Wulome.
Yeah, Wulome.
Mano.
Me the everyone say Wulome. Me the Wulome. Me say be my Wulomo. But me say
okay, Wulome. Okay. If I dear who am on fanche. Nanko see you Sunday baba yensia. Ye Jimmy. But now go see you Sunday baba yensia ba da nyase.
All right. Okay, so
the first one Obana Okasa no. Ninsem na Berima Eridima.
Okay.
Now let's go to the verse 1.
Okay, the verse 1 will say, the land of the guns belong to the guns. Tuesdays, we don't go on fishing. It belongs to the sea. Almighty God, you are the one who takes care of me. I have closed them like...
I've dosed them.
I mean, I've dosed them like
codeine.
They are all...
All
right, so they are looking for me. They have pictures. Tonight, I will raise my koti, that is big cane. And Shatta will show them the forest. They said maybe he has done some. They are still giving birth and we are doing outdooring. We have descended as take. It's not about talking, they are still hiding look. The mouth that eats pepper fish is the same mouth that destroy and build. And we say they don't dethrone a good king. Who don't people talk about?
Shatawale. Tell them. Yes, the breakdown of the lyrics. And like I said, this song is an agenda-driven song. Shatta Chel say, Obankraya, and you now walk canoe, Cassie, and you now worship Cassie. Tuesday, dear, young couple, so ya two, ya fucky, add your couple, ya got two. It's Tuesday, dear, and Cosso. It's men you are you say, oh, dear, and me canoe is you, or some de Koyajuma, or see a Yanisa. Or see a Yankupon and no saying na so. Now, no Shatawale, dear. What those you be our friends say we champion atano. What those you be as Amanum Kodino. And no catch no. And I say, and ne, wow, be Jimu Kromu, and no Shatawale, or Fanny Poti, or the Nam,
and they became
or Baby Lidium, Akako, Ako, a year friends, a forest home, a honor traditions, Nankasawo, na Yano Casampono. I'll see a shady because I'm not a pepper any fish no and one idea the yin and they say near ma and no one bit in the any
yes
it's all cancer ma cancer pa and cancer whom be ake and finally I say we don't dethrone a good king so be do any no nipa kono en papa or hini be do any no nipa kono hini papa yentu no and sa e ho say any say no deep political meaning but the nya no any more sa. Yes. Oh, I true. Very. And I'm going to say a deep political meaning. Okay. And the political meaning I'm talking about is not NPP or NDC. Yeah. Deep political meaning according to the Ghana traditional practices and here and there, especially their leadership. A deep political meaning. Or say, we don't dethrone a good king. Who don't people talk about? Shatawale tell them. And a chorus no. What's he saying?
Okay, chorus no say they said they won't go to fishing. They were advised, but they didn't go. Now they are saying God. They said they won't listen. Shatta said okay. Now they are running.
No no. Mekai mane share mame dokono by the fireside no. Ni omo work assembly omo kan. Kotoje epe epa urefu.
Boom.
The one she.
Why?
Body anye mankai.
Was when the secretary
So you two for now want ya oko antiade.
Okay.
It is our name we and the one is Shatawale Kano. Now let's move on to verse 2.
Okay, so verse 2 no. The land of the Gans belongs to the Gans. Nai is our God. Tuesdays we don't go on fishing. It belongs to the sea. Almost God, you take care of me. They said they are leading, but we are gone. They are eating my tail, but we don't look at ant. No. 2,000 years, we will still sit on them like a woman under. We will sleep on them.
Pioneer nails. Only Pakuno Troy no one trono as in the right words. Send a shutter at two. I can't waste him Sarah Tron. Say pioneer nails send our tron and say pioneer news. But no tron street. Not on pioneer news. Aha. It will know Nima. All
right, so pioneer nails, we will hit on them. Chemu Van Dam, look, we will block them. Today, Maka is not selling fish. Abokwe people said, Abokwe
people said we are not.
All right, so Abokwe people said we are not smoking fish. Palladium people are calling me Pablo. Tuesday market is when they will take give you.
And see, Ahanso still talking about the Gan land, what it is known for. And Okatom said, Sabia, Ophili said, now now they are all coming to the middle. They are all coming to the front. So don't see them say, they be almost a tron. And he said something. I think 2,000 years, we will still sit on them. So what he wants to say is that as Gan people, they should see themselves as leaders. They see themselves as people who are leading the particular objective, development objective. They are still going to be on them. And there is something he said here. I think Chemu Van Dam, look, we will block them. Like he's still telling you that almost supremacy be almost toy. They are still on top of their game. And yes, almost that form, sir. And he says something. Today, Markai is not selling fish. Abukwe people said we are not smoking fish. Palladium people are calling me Pablo. Tuesday market is when they will give you. In all, our pastor said there has been what? Development. Say the offense says what say Markai nkwa. The obeya ne so no there. Enam nkwa na oton. Oti Abukwe people are the say omo de enam nkwa no mbe ho a. Ebia now there has been progress.
Okay.
But Tuesday market there. Ehona omunyi ya enei omatimi abe nipa akese enti ebia ho a emu hu abunfia oka hu bia emu hu kitwa na oka hu say authority na wo no is too huge and you just have to live with that authority, and I'm sure it comes back to the chorus again, and that is it. The song or the video is on YouTube. Where a small breakdown just for you to know say the need a dinner that shatter so
yeah, it means a lot.
We are respecting. Yeah. In fact, I'll not be surprised that a bet shatter I know him.
Oh, one of the gang communities.
Yeah. I'll not be surprised.
I was so much.
I'll not be surprised.
I was so much.
And no do a movement make say and a shatter no yes as we talk, the video is trending at number 3 on YouTube with 139k views.
139.
Yes. This is 24 hours. A bra release and you know, the alcohol no.
Doing very well.
And wait there, Barry, men cannot think a bit trying to short to send an akufuado. And I can say, the land that we are all occupying, and for assassin. We have to respect it. We have to follow their cultures. We have to follow their rules and regulations. And my metran may home champion attack. I say higher there. That's what Shatawale is saying. Very, that's it.
All right. Yeah, that was so wait to make channel. T Sami Flex. That's it. All right. As I can say, I'm reaching the finest boy flex, originally Tara Star, Lappy G, Tina Baby, Beef Nation President Nana Reagan, and our face, Gideon Nilam Percent, Chamo, Munina Kanubi, and our face, Rolani Amatefio, Yanko Pusha Munina, say, Motumo Botembi, Amunji Break, a shay, and Pacho still I emphasize on the subscription, Pacho, more subscribe mine, and we are a pa the day because by the end of this year, there never be a dunity. Wow, as that can see, I'm coming, Munina, you. Stay safe, be good, be blessed, and we are out.